please identify your name, position, and why or how you got started with representing adjunct faculty.
Okay, my name is Cinthia Gannett. I am the director of the core writing program here, and I was hired in 2008 in order to actually create a whole program for core writing. Because core writing is largely composed of affiliate faculty, I've been engaged in trying to support and advocate for them since I arrived.
To you, okay, well, I'm gonna possess the red. But I'll ask you this anyway. What can you define an adjunct professor? Do you have a definition?
Well, I tend to use the term affiliate faculty. I know the word adjunct is commonly used. It may be the term of art here in terms of contract language. I think lecturer is also another term that is used. I guess one way to think about affiliate faculty is, or part-time faculty is anyone who does not have a permanent position, probably the broadest category. Here, people use the term full-time and part-time. I'm not sure I fully understand that, but that's another kind of nomenclature that we use here. I like affiliate faculty when I refer to the people I work with because I really want to focus on their connection to the institution rather than their temporariness, which I think really separates them and puts them away from the institution.
Professor Hull said she calls them non-tenure track.
Yeah, see? So we're all trying to think of ways that really continue to make visible our respect for them and their real contributions at the institution rather than by what they aren't.
Why are adjunct or non-tenure track professors used to teach classes?
Why are they used?
Yes.
I guess because classes need to be filled. I can only speak for my department, or specifically for the writing program in my department, but in the field of rhetoric and composition, and I would refer you to some really great websites and some information that I have. It is the case nationally that the vast majority of first-year writing sections are taught by affiliate faculty nationally. Part of that is because it's a course that every single student has to take. So we offer a huge number of sections, and at a small liberal arts school, it's probably deemed economically feasible and efficient to ensure that you have all those courses covered, that you don't have enough money presumably for 25 tenured faculty. So the affiliate faculty cohort actually developed since World War II, but there are lots of different reasons for its development in higher education in America. One is that graduate students were increasingly used to teach foundational courses, which is the other group of faculty who are not full-time tenure track faculty who often teach first-year writing courses. We don't have a graduate program of that kind here. So the department over time turned, as the school got bigger and bigger, to more and more sections filled by part-time faculty.
Do you feel that non-tenure track professors are paid fairly compared to professors with a full-time status?
I think the very frame of that question speaks for itself. I think that part-time faculty, I don't know if it's just payment, but they're clearly not compensated in an equivalent way for the work that they do.
How does the benefits received by professors with a full-time status compare to that of part-time?
Well, at Fairfield, there are very limited benefits that part-time faculty have. At other institutions, there may well be proportional benefits or full health benefits, full parking privileges. It depends. It's quite variable across the country and across the region. But because the condition of hire, as I understand it here, is that all part-time faculty are hired by semester, just semester by semester, and they are only to teach generally 2 courses a semester. There's no way to provide enough full-time work for them to presumably ask for proportional benefits, or to ask for any of the other benefits that full-time faculty would get. I think that's highly problematic myself, but I think that that's the situation here.
Do you believe that part-time faculty needs more representation at the university?
I think part-time faculty should be represented at every level of the university, program, department, interdepartment, and university-wide.
What kind of representations do part-time faculty have at Fairfield University?
Well, in my program, part-time faculty, the affiliate faculty are the majority of the instructors, and we make most of our major decisions together. So I can say that for my program, the part-time faculty have a very strong voice. They are consulted on any major change that might be happening with regards to curriculum or policy that I would control. At the department level, I understand that there are 2 part-time faculty members who are ex officio members of the department or serving guests as the department. We are also looking at establishing guest slots for part-time faculty on the FDEC, the Faculty Development and Evaluation Committee that I serve on. So those are 3 places where I know that there is a concerted effort to begin to raise the voice of part-time faculty. I think the affiliate faculty task force that's just been set up is looking for any number of ways to increase the serious public voice of part-time faculty.
Are you on the task force?
I am.
And that's all the questions we have.